Obwo ari ahahuriye kombeka Uganda Matazi University Kabare enganzi y'ihanga ruhakana Rugunda ayorekere okwatwaho ahabwibura ry'Emiromo erukwasire akato mu ihanga. Agizire ngu kunogera ngu Amatendeekyero agahiguru nigashomesa imyuga yo kwebisaho kikabire kitari kizo.
The strategic target should be produce marketable graduates who are equipped with technical schools to fill the skills gap that is apparent in a number of sectors of our economy. While you find industries and certain enterprises requiring skilled manpower, and yet they are not available. And yet our universities are producing many students with qualifications but which do not appropriately respond to the market demands of the day.
Prime Minister Ashabire ngu ihanga nerobora abantu abatendekerweje abakubasa kurutungura. Aha mukoro nugwo gumwe Rugunda aguzire ekishani cha Papa Francis miliyoni 10. Esente ezibarirwe miliyoni kagana mwenda nuzo zishorozibwe aha mukoro.
I must salute those who have given us this opportunity to either sell or take this portrait, because we happen to be in charge of the ethics committee that brings together government and the church to prepare the Holy Father's visit to Uganda. I will therefore take it at 10 million shillings.
Itendekere rutongwize n'ekibina cy'abantu abarukuza kubano barutungura kandi bishop w'ubureberezi bwa Ankore Karisitoro baramera abahire omugisha.
And may your blessing be upon each and everyone, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. And may your Spirit continue to journey with us for your greater glory and for the future of this university, through Christ our Lord. Amen. Thank you.
Reverend Father Paul Binomugisha, Director w'Itendekere, agizire ngu nibateganisubwa ibura ry'ebikozeso birukumara hamwe no kugira ebyombeko biki.
Uburemezi bw'ibitabo byo gushomera by'abana, ibyuma bya karimbagezi hamwe nangwa n'esete zo gushashura abashomesa n'ibindi byose. Ubwo n'uburemezi uburukuzaho kungubo tugenda mpora nitsingura.
Abataka basimere ekereziya kutandikaho university bagumizingu neija kutungura ecyanga cyabo.
Siya nebasa kutungura ryo bwegese kuba nikiyamba abantu bingi kwejumbo ibintu by'ekereziya kandi ekashuba ekasharura mbwenu nk'abantu bingi ekabareto mu kereziya ukuja babone kumanya ikigambo cya Ruhanga.
So hati university yamara kuyijana yekura twatura cyenda karengwe tandike kare konka it is still not too late. Akuba university yakura abaje torwire barakura umwanya ni gukura abantu baragira projects barombeka hostels babone sente abari kwinga byo kujya byabo baguze ibyo kurya mu universities amwe no mu mahoteli gari kwagetorwa universities abantu bakabare kiba basise gusavinga ezubo kugira Makerere University harimo na transport na maintenance hati kibe cyababere ki advantage y'amani kushanga ubuhereza bwena ubarihiye.
University ya Uganda Matazi itajeri ya Kabare ekatandika omwaka gwe 2012 kandi netendeka emyoga y'engaro yonka gasha kwa namanya job apori
3 2 emwe engaro z'amani munonga umugeni mukuru wa munonga